boy Taizee. I know we're going crazy. I'm back here with another video. As you probably already seen in the title, today I'm gonna be unboxing a new Sprayground bag. I've had this thing laying around for a couple of days now just to unbox it for the video. Now let's get into it. Shit, man, we got it right here. This thing's tough, man. As you can see, man, it says open up the love, and that's what we're gonna do. Ooh, this here, man, is a Diablo Bustin out backpack. This thing's tough. I'm not just saying this because I bought it, man. I'm really messing with it. Off the bat, I can tell you that this thing looks way better in person. In the photos, it just looks a little bit different. Like, it looks a little bit more dull. Starting off on the outside, man, you can see how there's like a cloth type of material on it. It's not leather or nothing like that, but honestly, I think that's even better. I think this is gonna make it a little bit more durable. This is the graphic in the front. You got red zippers on there. The sides are pretty much the same thing. It's basically imitating money. The bottom is just that same green cloth material. Towards the side, you got the $1 trillion bill. You also got a Sprayground tag, and it's holographic. I really like all the details on the bag. I think it looks really nice. On both sides, you got these pockets that are secured by Velcro. At the top, you obviously got your little strap right here with the little signature Sprayground clip. You also got this little sunglass compartment right here. It's lined in this like really soft material, so your glasses aren't gonna get scratched up in here. The back looks like most other Sprayground bags. You got your design continuing like right here, and then you got the Sprayground logo. You got the cushioning on the back. You got all that good stuff. You also got this little pocket right here. It goes in pretty deep. Honestly, the only issue that I have is that the stitching right here is just a little bit messed up for some reason. The inside is really nice. It's all red. It has different materials. It has some mesh down here. It has like this nice soft lining right here. It also has that holographic shark mouth effect at the top. The backpack has a decent amount of space in it. Honestly, the backpack's a little skinny, but it's really wide, so it kind of compensates in that area. This is a comparison between a JanSport bag and a Sprayground bag. It's pretty similar, so it's definitely gonna cut it for school and shit like that. Overall, I'm really messing with this bag. Got a nice design on it. I just really like it. This is part of Sprayground's 70 bag drop that they recently did this summer. If someone were to ask me copper drop, I would say this is definitely a cop. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Apart from that though, man, you already know what you're doing. Taizee, going crazy.